My name is Nikhitha. I am from Karnataka. I have completed my Bachelor of Degree in the BTECH College, Bengaluru. So with 8.3 CGPA. So to upskill me, even though I have an interest in the software testing, so I joined the Qspiders. So this is our best choice to choose in my life. So after joining here, I am learning more the concepts like they teach the subjects like manual testing, in automation testing, core Java, even though SQL, even though they will teach us in the internship also, even though the trainers, HRs are very helpful. Why? Because even though when we have doubts, not even the time also. When we have no approach to the trainers, they will help us. Even though they clarify on all the doubts, by attending the regular classes, mocks, weekly mocks, grooming sessions, I got placed. So even though here I placed with the 4.5 package with the Qspiders. After 6 months they will convert into associate software engineer.